So today I'll be showing you a few ways that you can speed up your Windows 11 computer by simply doing a couple things such as cleaning out your cache and deleting some temporary and useless files that you simply don't need. So to begin, simply press the Windows button on your keyboard with the R button. That'll bring up this little box right here. You're going to want to type in temp in lowercase like this and press enter. You'll click continue and give permission and access these files. So next what you're going to want to do is go ahead. So what you're going to want to do here is basically click one of the files like so, and then press Control A. This is going to select all the files in this temporary file location, and you're going to want to go ahead and delete them. By doing this, you're helping clean up your computer with stuff that you simply don't need. It's a bunch of temporary files. You can skip the ones that aren't able to be deleted, remove them, and then that's about it. You basically delete all these temporary files, and then you can close out, and we'll start the process again with some other stuff. Next, you're going to want to hit the Windows button again with the R button, and here you're going to want to write the word prefetch, spelled exactly like this, and click enter. You should get a prompt similar to the last time and basically giving confirmation that you accept. You can go ahead and click a file again, press Control A, and then go ahead and delete these files yet again. This is deleting more files that you simply don't need. A lot of them are temporary or stored by different apps that you use, and it's for the most part, most of them are completely unnecessary. By doing this, you're clearing up space on your computer and giving you some more memory to work with, thus speeding up your Windows 11 computer. Next, we're going to want to do the exact same thing, and we're going to want to go and click the Windows button and R, and you're going to want to do %, like this, temp, once again, and %, again. Then you press OK. It'll open up a file like so. Click it like last time. Go Control A to select all, and once again just hit delete. And you're once again getting rid of a bunch of files that you simply don't need for the most part, and clearing up some more space on your computer. Skip any files that you say do this for all current items, and we're going to want to skip the ones that we can't go over. And you just go over them and just basically skip the ones or try again if possible. But usually when this happens, they're not capable of deleting, so you'll simply just want to skip and move on to the ones that it is capable of deleting. And now finally, the last step is to simply press the Windows button again with R, and you're going to want to write cleanmgr, click enter, and it will start a disk cleanup, and you can simply go and check off all of these little icons, and it'll be basically cleaning up all the useless and temporary files for us. You'll simply want to go and click OK, and it'll go through that process and clean your drive completely. So that's basically it if you want to clean up your Windows 11 computer and help it speed up. If you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.